let the line L x minus 1 by 2 equal to y plus 1 by minus 1 equal to z minus 3 by 1 intersects the plane 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 16 at the point P. Okay, there is a line. So suppose this is a line and this is a plane. Okay, so here this is the intersection. He says it is P. This point is P. Okay, we will calculate that one. And line equation, we know it was line equation L equal to 0, and this is a plane pi equal to 0. Let Q be the foot of perpendicular from the point R. So R is somewhere here. R is the point. It was 1 minus 1 minus 3. And from there, we need to calculate foot of perpendicular on this line. Okay, so its name was Q. Its name was Q. Okay, its name was Q. And join P, Q, and R. And we need to calculate the area of the triangle. Here you cannot use half into base into height. Okay, of course we can use, but in the different manner. We will use cross product to calculate the height. Okay, first of all, we need to identify this point P, which is the point of intersection of line and plane. And also we need to find the point Q, which is foot of perpendicular. So first we will title finding P point. So it is the point of intersection of the line. So any point on line can be taken as x minus 1 by 2 equal to, this is the line, minus 1, and z minus 3 by 1, say lambda. Then you can say x minus 1 by 2 equal to lambda, also y plus 1 by minus 1 equal to lambda, z minus 3 by 1 equal to lambda. So x is equal to 2 lambda plus 1, and y is equal to minus lambda minus 1, and z is equal to lambda plus 3. So this point, any point, so any point on the line, now we are taking this any point as a P. Okay, so it will be x, y, z, and that is equal to 2 lambda plus 1 minus lambda minus 1 and lambda plus 3. And it lies on plane. So this point of intersection is the common point for plane and line. So what is that plane equation? 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 16. So you can replace x value with 2 lambda plus 1 plus y means minus lambda minus 1 plus 3 times of z means lambda plus 3 equal to 16. So 4 lambda plus 2 minus lambda minus 1 plus 3 lambda plus 9 equal to 16. So 4 plus 3, 7 minus lambda, 6 lambda, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 plus 9, 10, and 10 minus 16. 10 minus 16, 6. So lambda is equal to 6. Lambda equals, 1. So that you can decide this point, P point, as 2 lambda plus 1. If it is lambda is 1, x value 3. Okay, from here, substitute lambda value 1. So y value minus 2, lambda value 1, take 1 for z, which is 4. So we got P value. Now using the same concept, any point on the line L, take the same parameters, 2 lambda plus 1 as Q. Now Q equal to 2 lambda plus 1. Okay. we are going to calculate foot of the perpendicular, lambda plus 3. And after getting lambda equal to -1, we will decide point Q, which is -1, 0, 2. Okay. So substitute this lambda value -1 in the point Q. You will get -1, 0, 2. And after that, we know all the values PQR. So here they saying in the problem, alpha is the represent area of the triangle. So 1/2 of PQ bar cross PR bar under modulus. So PQ bar means OQ minus OP. PR bar means OR minus OP. You can calculate in your mind directly OQ minus OP, Q minus P, subtract it, and also R minus P, subtract it, and you will get these dimensions -4, 2, -2, -2, 1, -7. And if you do determinant, you will get -12, -24, 0. So here they are saying alpha square. So do it whole square and calculate the magnitude. 12 square minus 12 square is 144. 24 square is 576. And of course, it divide with 4, you will get 180. So 180 will be the answer for this question.